Welcome everyone to our next SAP FICO learning tutorial series. Here in this tutorial, we will see how to delete parked document in SAP. So to delete parked document in SAP, use transaction code FVV0. Enter the company code, document number and fiscal year here. Then press enter. Check the document here. It's not posted. Then click on document here and click here delete parked document. Click on yes. You can see the message here, data will be lost, delete parked document. Click on yes. Now this document is deleted. You can see the message in the left bottom corner. Once we again check with this document, press enter. You can see the document status is Z. You can see the various document status type here. V for parked document. So by this way you can delete the parked document in SAP. Thank you for watching this tutorial. Please subscribe our channel on YouTube.